Hello everyone, welcome to UPSC Digital Library. In this video, we are going to talk about the daily strategy, or we can say the daily study timetable for UPSC examination. Be it you are preparing for UPSC 2021 or 2022, or maybe you are just in college and you are planning for 2023. अगर आप 2021, 22 या फिर 2023 के लिए भी तैयारी कर रहे हैं, in this video I am going to tell you what could be a sample timetable for you. Remember, based upon every individual, their basic requirement might be different. Based upon my perspective, मैंने अपने आप को आप लोगों की जगह रखकर देखा है. I have tried to place myself in your shoe, though it is not practically possible, and I have tried to design a strategy which might be helpful for all kinds of people. Be it you are preparing for UPSC full time, be it you are a working professional, or be it you are a student. So let's get started. And one thing, guys, please remember, time is running. You can either use it or you are going to definitely lose it. Remember that you have to plan your day. You cannot say that this is my monthly target or this is my yearly target. आप ये नहीं बोल सकते जब तक आप हर दिन बराबर प्रयास या efforts नहीं लगाएंगे. Now, for those of you who do not know who I am, my name is Abhijit Singh Arora, and this is one of my picture. This is an old pic of 2015 when I cracked my UPSC Combined Defense Service examination, and I went to Allahabad to give my services selection board interview. So this is an old pic of that. All right. One very important thing is, even if you are extremely busy, you watch this video later. But if not, please do not be in a hurry to fast forward this video or skip these sections. Remember, when you are crossing the traffic signal, you should never be in a hurry. आप ट्रैफिक सिग्नल क्रॉस करते समय कभी भी जल्दबाजी ना करें. और उसी तरह जब आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, उसको फास्ट फॉरवर्ड या स्किप ना करें. Why? Because you will miss out on any important information, and if you are watching it very fast, you will not be able to retain what I am telling you. All right, so stop these two habits if in case you are doing any of them. And from my analysis also, I have come to know from my YouTube analytics that most of you are simply watching it for 25%. All right, if you are going to do this, now it will be very difficult for me to explain you, or rather to clear your doubts. All right, so please stop that habit. My videos are not very long in compared to the coaching academies. If you would have attended, please watch the video completely. All right, now let's talk about planning the day. Now remember, even if you're preparing for UPSC or whatever exam it is, you have to sleep for 7 to 8 hours. There are some people who sleep for 6 hours and still they're fine. You have to understand your biological needs. So I recommend sleeping for 7 to 8 hours. Remember, always keep an alarm with you. All right, you should never depend upon your parents, your room partner, in case you're studying from a remote location, or let's say your husband or your wife. All right, you should always take responsibility of getting up. Now remember one more thing, that is, not all marriages and parties are important. सभी की सभी शादियां और पार्टी अटेंड करना important नहीं है. All right, it's not that if you will not go, they will cancel their marriage or cancel their parties. Remember, everything else can wait. आप अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी में पूरा मन लगाएं. All right, and later on you have your entire life. All right, on your weekends you can do these things. All right, प्लीज एज फार एज पॉसिबल, जितना हो सके आप सोशल मीडिया और इंटरनेट को अवॉइड करें चैटिंग करने के लिए एंड एनीथिंग एल्स. ऑल राइट, अपार्ट फ्रॉम योर स्टडीज, लेट्स से आप अगर फेसबुक खोलते हैं या इंस्टाग्राम खोलते हैं, you come to UPSC page, you will come to know when next video will be uploaded, what is the next plan of action, whether any video is being cancelled, what is the update, you will come to know. All right, apart from that, don't join debate channels. There are various groups and channels on Instagram, on Facebook, on Telegram, where people just keep on debating, this is right, this is wrong. Don't waste your time. अगर आपने उनको proof कर भी दिया that you are right, come on, they are not going to give you marks. Okay, that those things are never counted. आप 2-3 लोगों को डिबेट में हरा भी देंगे, वो आपके किसी काम नहीं आने वाला है जीवन में. Very important thing, guys. All right, your health is going to help a lot in your success. If you are not fit, you will not be able to sustain. Make sure that you exercise for at least 30 minutes, at least 30 मिनट पर डे आपको एक्सरसाइज करनी है. I was a national level athlete. All right, I have represented Madhya Pradesh at all India level. I was 100 200 meters athlete. So I have realized what is the importance of fitness in my life. And apart from that, I have done advanced fitness courses also. So let's say in future, if you guys don't know what all exercises you can do in just 30 minutes, you can let me know. I will try to guide you on that. All right, I'm not sure. All right, how on this platform I can share that, but I will try to make a short video in which I will tell you what all exercises you can do at your home without any equipments. Now understand one thing, you will not always get the opportunity to sit and study. ऐसा हमेशा नहीं होगा कि आपको एक शांति का वातावरण मिलेगा पढ़ने के लिए. हो सकता है आप जॉइंट फैमिली में रहते हो, या रिश्तेदारों का आना जाना लगा हो, या फिर आपको कई बार ट्रैवल करना पड़ता होगा, या आप ऑफिस ही आते जाते होंगे, या फिर आप एक वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल होंगे. सो जहां भी आप बैठे हैं, आपको अपने मन को शांत करके पढ़ने में लगाना होगा. दिस यू हैव टू डेवलप. ऑल राइट, और एल्स यू आर गोइंग टू फेस अ लॉट ऑफ डिफिकल्टी. ऑल राइट, हर दिन एक जैसा नहीं होगा आपको, लेकिन अपने ऊपर सेल्फ कंट्रोल डेवलप करना पड़ेगा. यू कैन नॉट चेंज द एनवायरमेंट, बट यू कैन चेंज योर सेल्फ. All right, and these habits are definitely going to help you. And be practical in your daily goals. ऐसा नहीं कि आपने एक ऐसा टारगेट दे दिया अपने आप को कि आज तो मैं आर एस शर्मा एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री की बुक खत्म करने वाला हूं. कम ऑन, even if you do it, even if you just go through it, it's worthless. It is not at all going to be helpful. आपको कुछ भी retain नहीं रहेगा. Please make practical goals, keep practical targets, or else you won't be able to finish and you will be demotivated. Now let's come to the main point now. Main analysis. Now, those of you who are going to appear in UPSC 2021, that is in next June. All right, the only thing that I'm going to tell you guys is study. Yes, now this might be very vague word to you, but follow our channel, follow whatever books we are recommending you, be very consistent. If you are going to lose your days on a consistent basis, you are out of the race. आप ये पेपर नहीं क्लियर कर पाएंगे. So please follow the instructions as and when they are told, exactly as they are told. All right, now if in case you're preparing for UPSC 2022, so this year your main aim should be on focusing on general studies and focusing on answer writing. All right, from next year, from June 2021, you have to start reading the Hindu newspaper for current affairs. If you do not know about it, I have already made a video how to read the Hindu newspaper. You can go and watch that. And from next year August, you guys have to start preparing your optionals. I hope this point is clear. Now for those of you who are preparing for UPSC 2023, now this year you just focus on general studies, clear your concepts, clear your base. All right, from next year July, start writing answers after finishing your general studies, and from June 2022 start your current affairs, and from August 2021, that is next year, start preparing for your optionals. यानी कि अभी तो आप लोग जनरल स्टडीज पे पूरा फोकस करें, नेक्स्ट ईयर से आप लोग अपने आंसर राइटिंग और ऑप्शनल को स्टार्ट कर दें, और आपको 2023 में देना है तो जून 2022 से आप लोग करंट अफेयर्स भी स्टार्ट कर दें. इन केस इफ यू डोंट वांट टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम जून 2022, you can even start from January 2022, but right now if you will study, it will not be helpful from exams point of view. लेकिन अगर आप चाहें तो डेली 10 to 15 मिनट्स आप न्यूज़पेपर देख सकते हैं, because we everybody as a mature and as a scientific individual, we all should know what is happening around us. All right, I hope this is clear. Now this is a full-time strategy. Every day I have made a timetable. All right, this first one is for non-working. Now wait a second, if you are looking for a timetable for working professional or even for students, I am going to share that, but please understand this. All right, you never know when you become a full-time student, and this might be helpful to you. So listen to each and everything what I am telling you. Now अगर आप कोई भी जॉब नहीं कर रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं, आप सिर्फ फुल टाइम तैयारी कर रहे हैं, तो definitely you have to spend more time. You can have your customized daily timetable. So this is one sample timetable. This is one of the best what I have made as per my understanding. आप 6 से 6:30 बजे तक उठकर रेडी हो सकते हैं. 6:30 से 7:30 आप एक्सरसाइज कीजिए, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. 8 बजे तक ब्रेकफास्ट और नहा धो के रेडी हो जाइए. All right. Now from 8 to 10:30, this is the time when you're going to revise what you have studied the previous day. So let's say today, let's say the date is X. और पिछली डेट थी x-1, so you have to revise whatever you have studied the previous day in the morning. This is very important. Revision is very important. Now half an hour you can take a break. 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. you can watch videos. Most of our videos come at 11 a.m. So 1.5 hours is more than sufficient. Our videos are roughly at around 45 minutes. All right, be it history or whatever it is. So let's say if you are watching it twice, or let's say let's say you are watching 2 videos in a day, still 1.5 hours is more than sufficient. Then I have given 1.5 hours of leverage here. You can have your lunch, you can have rest for 1 hour, you can sleep for 1 hour. Now from 2 to 5 p.m. you have to read the subject book. Let's say we are studying ancient Indian history. So I recommend this time you read the books. Let's say Tamil Nadu ancient history or R.S. Sharma. You read this book for these 3 hours. All right. Take time, read it very carefully. Half an hour you can again take break. Now 1.5 hours every day you can give to your optionals, whatever optional you have decided. Now please don't come to me and start asking, sir, what should be the optional that I should decide. You should take your own decision. All right, you have to decide which optional should be best for you. All right, if you will go to our Instagram page, वहां पर मैंने लिख दिया था कि how to decide optionals. All right, आप कैसे decide कर सकते हैं. And once you have decided, a rough sketch also have given. You can go and watch on our Instagram those stories that I have mentioned. Every day from 7 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. write to answer. This is about answer writing. एक आप जनरल स्टडीज जो आप पढ़ रहे हैं उससे रिलेटेड एक आंसर लिखें डेली. 15 मिनट टाइम लगेगा उसमें. 15 minutes for this and 15 minutes write one answer for your optional. So half an hour is more than sufficient every day if you do this. Now 1.5 hours. Now as you are a regular aspirant, you can give 1.5 hours time to your dinner and family time. 1.5 hours is fine for current affairs. I have already uploaded a video on how to read the Hindu newspaper, and by 11 o'clock you can sleep and get up by 6 o'clock. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now, for those of you who are working professional, who are into a job, or let's say they're helping their parents on their shop or whatever it is, what I recommend is you get up at 5 o'clock. 15 minutes is fine for brushing up and nature's call. Half an hour is fine for you to do exercise. All right. So half an hour you guys can do exercise. 15 minutes again you guys can take bath. Now from 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. you guys can watch the video, whatever I upload. 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. you can read the book. Whatever we have studied in the video, you can refer to the book, whatever I have recommended, and you can read that book. Be it a PDF, be it a hard copy, it's up to you. All right. So 90 minutes you can give to that. अब इसी टाइम के बीच में आपको पढ़ते पढ़ते you guys must have your breakfast. There is no specific time for your breakfast. Remember this, because you have to use your time very judiciously. Now half an hour I am considering you guys might be traveling to your office, and then let's say 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. you are working in your office. Then you will have a 1 hour of lunch break in your office, 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Now when you are having your lunch, all right, that time utilize it to read the PDF. Now remember 1.5 hours may be fine, but it might not be very much sufficient. ये पूरे तरीके से आपकी तैयारी में हेल्प नहीं करेगा. इसलिए इस 1 घंटे वाले टाइम को भी आप लोग पढ़ने में यूटिलाइज करें. Let's say in this time also, अगर ऑफिस के टाइम में भी if you are free, instead of chit chat, you can sit and study in your laptop or in your mobile, whichever is convenient to you. All right. Now 6 to 6:30 p.m. you will again travel and come back to home. I strongly recommend that you come back home, have something quickly, have some snacks, tea or whatever it is, I don't know, and sleep for 1 hour. It is very important. Okay. Why I'm telling this is because you have worked very hard since morning. If you will not sleep right now, you will not be motivated to study. Every day you will make plans, but you will sleep. So better it is you come home and then you sleep. All right. After that, then you have your dinner. Now from 8 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. You make a quick revision of what you have studied in the day. 8:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. you do answer writing practice. You can do 2 answers for general studies. I will come to optionals. Wait. Then 1.5 hours you can study current affairs. Remember, day by day, your time to read current affairs will reduce, and very soon 1.5 hours will be more than sufficient time for you to read the Hindu newspaper. बहुत जल्द ऐसा होगा, 1.5 घंटा आपके लिए पर्याप्त समय हो जाएगा. शुरुआत में शायद आपको 2 घंटे 3 घंटे लगते होंगे. धीरे धीरे आपकी वोकेबलरी इंप्रूव होगी, इंग्लिश इंप्रूव होगी, कॉम्प्रिहेंशन स्किल्स इंप्रूव होंगे, and this 1.5 hours of time will be sufficient to you. And then again 6 hours you can sleep. 1 hour you have already slept. over here. So 7 hours again you get. On weekends, remember your weekends are very important. If you are a working professional, weekends are not for partying with friends. Don't do party with your friends, all right? Don't go for boozing and drinking and all that, okay? Don't go and start traveling to XYZ locations ki weekend mein to hum travel kar rahe hain, photos खींच रहे हैं. No. Stay at your home, focus on your optionals. Remember, everything else can wait. Once you have cracked this exam, you can do all those things. Okay, once you have made up your mind that you have to prepare for UPSC, remember you have to be focused. Now, for those students who are in college, or let's say those who have to focus on their college studies also. So this is a rough sketch for all of you. You wake up and freshen up by 5 to 5:15 a.m. All right, and then 1 hour you guys can do exercise. As you are a college student, you must play a greater role. You must emphasize more on your exercise part. Half an hour you guys can take bath. All right, get ready. And from 7 to 8:30 a.m. in the morning, you can watch the videos which we upload on the YouTube. And then half an hour time you will be spending on traveling, as you would be traveling to your college. I assume that your college will be of 6 hours roughly. There may be a few colleges which are of 8 hours. There may be a few which are of 4 hours. So plan it, change it accordingly. Alright, don't expect spoon feeding. Now, once you come back home, let's say at 3 p.m., have something till 4:30 p.m. take rest. Then from 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m., 2 hours read the books. It is related to the subject what we have studied in the video. Half an hour take a break. Again 1.5 hours read the Hindu newspaper. Work on your current affairs. It is very important. Half an hour take your dinner break. And then half an hour do the revision whatever you have studied during the day. Half an hour do the answer writing. Again, very important for you. Do this. Now 45 minutes I have given specifically for your college homework or assignment or whatever you're doing. So every day 45 minutes you have to give, and then you have to sleep. Now remember, if you are a college topper, or let's say you play or give equal emphasis on your college studies, अगर आपको लगता नहीं मुझे कॉलेज की पढ़ाई पर भी बराबर ध्यान देना है, then prepare your optionals and college studies on weekends. So this is a rough plan for all of you. Now, I request all of you, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Please do like this video. If you don't like this video, please comment and give your feedback so that I can improve. Please share this video to maximum of your friends. Please do comment. I request all of you to please comment and share your feedback. All right. And see, by doing all this, what will happen is our YouTube ranking will improve, and we will be able to हेल्प मैक्सिमम एस्पायरेंट जो ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग यूट्यूब पे सर्च करके पढ़ाई करते हैं. आवर चैनल विल कम इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम एंड वी विल बी एबल टू हेल्प दोस all those aspirants, those who cannot afford coaching fees, or those who don't have enough money to go for such academies where they have to pay and study. Everything we are teaching on YouTube, it is absolutely free of cost. And you can also connect with us on Facebook and Instagram. If you are not connected yet, please come over here and get connected to us. Thank you everybody for watching. God bless you.